Welcome to another video. This is another Sunday and you are watching Handlebar Explorer. Two guys are in front of me. Most guys are in back of me. I'm in between and we are probably going the same route, but when we touch the different route, I'm going to show you guys. Waiting for tea. Subah ka 7:27 right now. Drinking tea now. Okay, let me show you this ajuba, one of a kind. It's too cold, so all the guys are having tea. अब ये देखो, this is a cycle with battery. Oh, battery लगा दिया, battery लगा ना सिला, की power लगेगा भाभी जगन. लेकिन बाकी सब बाइक का पार्ट है. तो 1.5-2 किलो का अच्छा ही नहीं होगा उनका. So this is a modified cycle, parts from Pulsar, Splendor and all. इन लोगों को क्या हो गया?
साइकिल विद डिस्क ब्रेक.
हाँ, वो फ्रंट पल्सर का है. So look at the bikes we have. This is mine. This is old, mostly the twins, and then that one is Polygon, Rock Rider. We still don't know where we are going yet. I mean, we know, I know, but कहाँ तक जाएगा, कितना दूर जाएगा नहीं पता. It's there is a picnic spot up there, so आज chest mount नहीं लाया, तो I don't know how much I'll be able to shoot with the hand because there is a uphill if we decide to go that way. So wait, that's it. Let's see. Like I said, we are going Kopili. It's a picnic spot with waterfall, stream and stuff like that. But this is a different route that we are taking. I don't know. I never came through this route before, so it's new. Even for me, and I don't know why the dog is running like that. But yeah, roads are good. Government ने गाँव में अच्छा रास्ता बना दिया है अभी. क्यों भाई?
यो भाई, वो इधर जाके फोटो खींचेगा शायद.
चलो चलते हैं, फोटो खींचते हैं 2-4. ठीक है सना? वाह. तो I have to go off road. एक हाथ से नहीं होता है भाई. मुरीलू. They're gonna shoot some photos and stuff in this. क्या करेगा इधर?
फोटो भाई वो आरो.
इधर फोटो मारेगा? इधर. So this looks like a dam. Dam ना? Dam. Okay, so I have never come this way before. This is the view. জায়গাটা ভালো কিন্তু এটা সরু জায়গা আর লাইনটা ফিল্টার হয়ে গেছে. হ্যাঁ, okay. So here group niki. Wait for the view. This is an amazing place. Almost feels like Goa or something. But yeah, just like today, the sun is out. Usually इतना जोर से नहीं आता. I don't know why today the sun is that much stronger. उतर ना सारे 16 किलोमीटर. So yeah, I think वही नदी इधर से जाता है, stream or whatever. And then this is the view of the back. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक ऑन दिस साइड. सो ऐसे जाके वहाँ तक जाने के लिए एक जगह है which we went before, but I don't know अभी जाएगा या नहीं जाएगा. Handlebar Explorer. Handlebar Explorer. Oh, handlebar ako? Oh. So we are going to go ahead and let's see how far we go. Riding down. क्या बिजनेस किंतु पूरा बिजनेस है फार्मिंग है खाली बहुत बছৰ লাগে কিন্তু अच्छा. So we are going to climb this pahad. Nice betel nut, areca nut plantation. वो जो पान खाता है सुपारी खाता है that is it जो हम भी खाते हैं. Cannot deny that fact. But yeah, we are going to go do some climbs. The problem going to be is that I won't be able to shoot. So let's see, जितना शूट कर सकता है कर लेंगे, नहीं कर सकता है तो नहीं करेंगे. रास्ता तो ये ख़राब था, अभी ठीक हो गया फिर से. But yeah, the height is going to be crazy. Let's see कितना दूर तक ऐसे ही जा सकता है. Holding one hand and one hand on the camera. Yeah, you can see the climb, I guess. The guys are way up. Yeah, gotta put this back. So these guys are coming from down, very steep hill, and then we have to climb up. Guys went. I had to wait and fix the gear of one of the guys. Chain गिर गया था. But pretty nice view. अमर भाई आते हुए और बाकी पुश करते हुए. और भी ऊपर है, काफ़ी ऊपर है. So basically this is the horizon level and the road is up way up there. Similarly here the road is way down there. So there is sort of a stream down there. Of course you cannot see, but yeah, last time we went there. अभी भी जाने का टाइम हो गया है because we can go पिकनिक्स वहीं पे करेंगे लोग. So yeah, the uphill was crazy. I don't know ऊपर कितना जाएंगे, but थोड़ा पानी वानी पी के निकल लेंगे इधर से. More to shoot. Some people are pushing, some people are riding, some people already left the turn that you can see way up there. I'm stuck because my bike is heavy, but I'm not really stuck. I'm just waiting to shoot so that they can go. And I know I have speed, so I can just cross them. But unfortunately, I did not bring the chest mount. Bad decision. I mean, I did not want to carry too much. I did not know how much we were going to ride today. So yeah, let's see. So apparently this route also goes and takes to some back roads of Meghalaya. रास्ता छोटा है, kind of very remote. Fresh water flowing from streams. But damn fucking tired, bro. Not gonna lie. तो downhill में मजा आ जाएगा, but I don't have the chest mount, so that's bad. I think थोड़ा सा downhill है इधर. But look at the view, man. Looks like some kind of forest view of like Far Cry or something like that. If you know the game Far Cry, the views are something like that, like Mexican rainforest and stuff, Amazonian forest and all. Have to drop gear. आगे का ही ब्रेक पकड़ रहा है. यहाँ से तो काफ़ी इजी लग रहा है अभी तो. I'm still holding the front brake because बैक वाले पे स्कीड ज़्यादा होएगा, फ्रंट वाले पे पीछे का टायर उठ जाएगा. सो लेट्स सी. और भी ऊपर है क्या? ओए stream. Never been to this road before. Have to come again properly with chest mount and everything. आज तो मेरा फ्रंट वाला भी माउंट नहीं है. Whoa. First of all, look at the view. Second of all, look at the view. Crazy views ahead, man. Lovely. Rasta kharab hai, I have to brake hard. The road going ahead, up ahead. I don't know if we are going to go that way or not, but it's going to be crazy if we do. So this is where we are stopping. We're not going to go any more ahead because it's still up. It goes way up. तो यहाँ से नीचे जाएंगे and it's going to be all downhill from here onwards. So definitely shoot नहीं कर पाऊँगा. So yeah, फोटो शूट हो रहा है वहाँ पे, तो मेरे को भी ज्वाइन करना है. Why not? Oh, ওচৰতে দেখোন. এইটো দেখা নাছিলোঁ. এই আগত দেখা পাইছিলোঁ. এটা আছে. ঢিলাই. কাফি ঢিলাই. Wait, let me show you the view. ও ভাই ইমান ঠাণ্ডা, মই পানী নালাৰো দেই. কিন্তু ভিউটো দেখাব লাগিব ন. नाइस. सब लोग आते हुए, पानी में मजे करते हुए, पानी पीते हुए. फ्रेश वाटर. तो कितना फ्रेश होगा? हाँ, ये एरिया में पता नहीं, लेकिन ऊपर में तो फ्रेश ही होगा. समर में आने से तो नहाने ही होगा. So heading back from now, here onwards, all the guys on the front, I am the last. Sun is on the back. You saw the view, I guess. I did not come here before, so yeah, this is part of. I mean, it was a trail before. This area was sort of like a trail, but now रास्ता बना दिया. I don't know why, but it's a pitch road. तो अभी जाएंगे हम सीधा नीचे. We'll have to go pretty fast, so we're going to keep the GoPro inside. So it's all flat from here onwards. और दो पीछे है. तो हम भी निकल लेते हैं थोड़ा करके. Again, so I guess this was it for today. Enough fun. अभी जाके probably कहीं पे कुछ खाएगा. I don't know. Let's see. Probably not with the guys. Like I'm gonna have it near my home because that's when I'm gonna be feeling extreme hunger. So yeah. Don't forget to like, share if you want others to see this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. तो ये लोग जा रहे हैं लेफ्ट. वी आर गोइंग टू गो लेफ्ट एज वेल. तगड़ा ब्रेक का काम है. इट इज़ नॉट हाइड्रोलिक बट इट स्टिल वर्क फाइन. आई एम गोइंग टू कीप शूटिंग लाइक बिट्स एंड पीसेस बट प्रॉपर व्लॉग इज ऑलमोस्ट ओवर. अभी तो रिटर्न जर्नी में क्या ही, लाइक यू ऑलरेडी सॉ दिस एंटायर रूट व्हेन आई केम. कुछ नया जगह पे जाएंगे तो शूट करेंगे. सो वी आर गोइंग टू गो राइट आई गेस. लेफ्ट 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 जाओ ना. राइट. वी आर गोइंग टू गो लेफ्ट. पीछे है आपका कोपिली पिकनिक स्पॉट. पीछे का दरवाज़ा जो है. सो दैट्स वेयर इट गोल्स एंड या द राइड इज़ प्रीटी मच ओवर टुडे. Not going to ride, not going to record anymore. Bye bye. I think it's going to be about 40 kilometer max to max, 45 kilometer by the time we reach home or I reach home. सबका अलग अलग होगा. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye. So mid ride, having some carbs. Carbs है तो ना, साउले ऐसे. So this is made of crushed rice powder and then steamed on the steamer. So this is traditional Assamese pitha. This one. Sorry. तो ये वाला पिठा इसके अंदर है. Like लिड के अंदर डाला हुआ है and then it gets cooked and it is like this. After that, handlebar.